Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another great recipe which is khajuri, and this is crunchy sweets. It's very easy to prepare and very less ingredients, and the taste is really great. So let's get started. To prepare a khajuri, I have this maida. I have taken this one bowl of maida, and I have this suji, half bowl of suji, semolina. I have this coconut which I have cut it into small pieces, and I have 1 cup of milk, and I have this ghee, clarified butter, and I'm going to use a pinch of baking soda. I have taken 1 small bowl brown sugar. I'm going to use brown sugar because it's healthy. In this mixing bowl, I'm going to add this maida and this suji, semolina. So now I'm going to mix it. I'm going to mix this sugar and this coconut. And ghee. And I'll mix it. Now I will add pinch of baking soda, just 1 pinch of baking soda. Now slowly I will add milk. You need to make it soft dough, so just slowly add milk. You need to make it dough like this. Now it's becoming very soft dough. In this whole mixing process, I have just used half cup of milk. First of all, I'm gonna take this much, and I'm gonna just make it circle. Just press it. Make it like oval shape. And I'm gonna use this fork to give it shape like this. So now I'm going to keep it here, and now I'm going to make it another one. Same process. I have make it like this. So now I'm gonna fry this. I have heated the pan. Now I'm gonna add oil. When you fry this, the flame should be a medium. Now it turns into a golden brown color, so now it's ready. Now I have prepared all the khajuri. Now our crunchy khajuri is ready and looks really yummy. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me a feedback, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.